Good morning, garage door enthusiasts. So today we are on a job here in Ballwin, Missouri. As you can see, big door, 16 by 8 overlay, heavy, massive springs, 273 by, looks about 44 inches. Anyway, so you can see what's happened. They use normal wood lags to put this in it, and it's not enough. Way too much torque on the spring. Plus, it looks like they have at least half an inch of drywall, so you didn't get enough bite. Oh, when installing a massive door like this with heavy springs, you have to make sure that it's pre-drilled and 4 to 5 inch wood lags are put in. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 314-484-3667, 636-293-3007, or in Illinois, 618-698-8058. The right door company, quality you expect, service you deserve.